guys, November 6, 2020. So maybe I got a call from a lady. I put a boiler in, I don't know, 3-4 years ago maybe for her. And she had oil and she switched over to gas, and I put a Crown gas boiler in there for her, and you know, we did the zones and whatnot. She's calling me. She's hearing, you know, air in the radiator line. So she got all copper fin baseboard. It's an old house, and I think she's got like 3-4 floors there. Big house. So I got to go there and purge the zones. There's probably air in the zones. Pretty nice though. Molly don't even have a coat on today. Yeah, pretty nice out. I know it is. Well, anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. I'm gonna purge the zones and maybe
2.5 miles. Turn right on Park Street.
Check, make sure the burners are clean. Good deal. How you doing, Mama? Wow, it's been 7 years. That's a long time, guy. It's a long time. Looks like the feeder might have been stuck. But anyway, we're gonna purge these. This is a split loop, and these two. What we're going to do is we're going to shut them all off. If I can. That's off. These are really more like balancing valves than anything else. Oh, that one don't look good, does it? Not really. Oh, that ain't looking good. Yowza. That ain't looking good, Mama. That ain't looking good. Good enough for this neighborhood. Alright, we'll purge them all. So I open this up, and then I flip the lever up. It gives it more gundy. Probably gonna have air in the upper zones more than the first floor zone, so. I'm going right over here into a pipe. Toilet pipe sticking up out of the floor. I'm dumping the water right in there. That ain't that special. Haven't heard any air. Can't believe it's been 7 years. That's a long time. That's a lot of chooch. The upper floors is where it's going to probably hear it the most. This second and third floor is probably where all the air is. You don't hear no air on the first floor. Sometimes people get paranoid. They hear things that aren't really a problem. I mean, it's possible. We'll find out. Usually you can put your hand on there and feel if there's any air. If there's air coming out, you could feel it. Might have to change this purge valve. The first floor one I might have to, I'm not sure. I think I put a new water heater in and this boiler at the same time. Yeah, that's what I did. So she had a what she had there before was a oil-fired boiler with a tankless, I believe. I don't see no air there in that one either. I think I've done this before with this lady as far as complaining about air, and I purged and I didn't see there was any in there. I didn't think that there was any air in the lines, but we'll try the third floor next. That's probably where most of the air would be, way up there on the third floor. Could have been the feeder was stuck too when I got here. That's enough to do it. Stuck feeder. Oh yeah, there's definitely air in this one. Hear it? The upper floor. That's where the air is, on the upper floor. I can definitely feel it. That's enough to piss off the client. Run it for a while and give it a good doucheroo. I definitely can feel it. Alright, so we're all purged. I got all them zones back opened up. She's ready to rock and roll. That's how you purge the zones. Little flow checks up here. Expansion tank. I think I might have raised the pressure a little bit because it was such a high building. I purged all 3 zones for air. The third floor definitely had air in it. So we're good to go. It's been running fine. She has had no complaints about it as far as That's how it's been running. It's a new system, not really old.